1. Freshwater bony fishes maintain water balance by 1. Excreting a hypertonic urine, 2. Excreting salt across the gills, 3. Producing no urine at all, 4. Excreting wastes in the form of uric acid. 2. Which one of the following statements is correct with respect to saltwater balance inside the body of living organisms? 1. When water is not available, camels do not produce urine but store urea in tissues. 2. Salmon fish excretes lot of stored salt through gill membrane when in fresh water. 3. Paramecium discharges concentrated salt solution by contractile vacuoles. 4. The body fluids of freshwater animals are generally hypertonic to surrounding water. 3. A terrestrial animal must be able to 1. Actively pump salts out through the skin. 2. Excrete large amounts of salts in urine. 3. Excrete large amounts of water in urine. 4. Conserve water. 4. Other function performed by kidney apart from excretion is 1. Osmoregulation. 2. Temperature regulation. 3. Steroid hormone synthesis. 4. Spermatogenesis. 5. The animals which do not actively control the osmotic condition of their body fluids are 1. Osmoconformers. 2. Osmoregulators. 3. Both 1 and 2. 4. Thermoregulators. 6. Body fluids of shark can be termed as 1. Hypertonic to seawater. 2. Hypertonic to seawater. 3. Isotonic to seawater. 4. Hypertonic in breeding season, but hypertonic otherwise. 7. All Bowman's capsules of the kidney are found in 1. Cortex. 2. Medulla. 3. Pelvis. 4. Ureter. 8. Podocytes are the cells present in 1. Bowman's capsule. 2. Loop of Henle. 3. Duct of Bellini. 4. Distal convoluted tubule. 9. Loop of Henle is meant for absorption of 1. Potassium. 2. Glucose. 3. Water. 4. CO2. 10. If Henle's loop were absent from mammalian nephron, which of the following were to be expected? 1. The urine will be more dilute. 2. There will be no urine formation. 3. There will be hardly any change in the quality and quantity of urine formed. 4. The urine will be more concentrated.
Dear students, if you ever feel that we are adding any value to your learning, then please subscribe to our channel and press the like button for the individual videos. This will encourage us to post more quality content in future. So here are your answers for today's questions.
Answer to 1 is 1. Answer to 2 is 1. Answer to 3 is 4. Answer to 4 is 1. Answer to 5 is 1. Answer to 6 is 2. Answer to 7 is 1. Answer to 8 is 1. Answer to 9 is 3. Answer to 10 is 1. Thank you all. Meet you again soon.